Hello, today I'll show you how to make realistic rain in Scratch. As you can see, the rain makes a nice splash effect and can't go through any roofs. So let's get started. First, paint a sprite. Name it Rain. And name the costume Short Rain. Use the box tool. Make a rectangle-like shape. Duplicate it and name it Long Rain. And stretch it out. Duplicate it again and name it Splash. This time delete the rectangle and make it into a square, or make a square like this. Make sure it's all in a bluish color. Now, in the code, when green flag clicked, make a variable named gravity for this sprite only. Set gravity to 0, then go to back layer and hide. Then a forever loop. Make a new block named Create Rain. Run without screen refresh. Now, in here, repeat 2 times. Switch costume to pick random 1 to 2. Go to pick random for the X, which is 235, negative 235 to 235. And the Y will be 180. And then create a clone of myself. Now, when I start as a clone, show. Then set size to pick random 60 to 110, and then set ghost to pick random 20 to 60. Then, point in direction, pick random 190 to 170. Then repeat until touching, and then make a new sprite named Ground. Use the box tool. Make the fill a brownish color, as you can see. Then use the line tool. Make it a greenish color. And make sure the outline size is a good size, like this. Now in this code, when green flag clicked, go to 0, 0. And go to front. Now, in here, change gravity by 1. And then move by gravity. And then if direction is greater than 0, then turn by 5. Make sure it's this one. Duplicate it and switch it to if direction is less than 0, then turn it by -5. Now, here, make a new new block named touching ground. Run without screen refresh. Put it here. And in this block, we would do repeat until not touching ground. Make sure to set this to not touching, make sure to set this to repeat until touching ground. And this one will be change Y by gravity. And then set gravity to 0. Now, back down here, we would do switch costume to splash, set size to pick random 10 to 100. And if costume number equals 3, which is splash, then point in direction, pick random -50 to 50, and then make a new variable named force for this sprite only. Set force to pick random 2.5 to 10, and repeat until force is less than 0.5 or touching ground. Change gravity by -1, and then set force to force times 0.95. Move by force and change Y by gravity, and change ghost effect by 2.5, and then delete this clone. Now, in the backdrops, use the box tool. Make sure there is no outline, and make it a cloudy kind of sky color. Something like this. And now if you test it, as you can see, it creates this. And if you want it to look more realistic, up here, set gravity to 5. Now, as you can see, it's more realistic. Now you have realistic rain. Thank you for watching and have a fantastic day.